So the day is finally here when we have a completely wireless T-Outliner from Andis. This is David Valentine from shavingart.com, Instagram at shavingart, and I'm here to review this product for you guys. I'm so hyped. It's what we've all been waiting for a long time. Now let's get into it right away. This product feels exactly like the original Andis T-Outliner. It feels, the housing is exactly the same, except the bottom part's a little bit smaller. I brought this machine out, the Retro T-Cut, to compare it to the Andis T-Outliner wireless. They are very comparable, and I'm actually a little bit disappointed that they are so similar to each other. The only thing that Andis did that Wall didn't do was put a light indicator into the clipper. And if you guys saw my Retro T-Cut review, that was one of the biggest things, one of my biggest complaints about the Retro T-Cut. But everything has been addressed in the Andis T-Outliner. Everything that Wall didn't really address, Andis came through and gave it to us. Now, I want to see how this thing cuts, so I shot some videos of me actually using the machine. It's an awesome machine, guys. I totally recommend it. The only difference is with the T-Cut is the price. This one ran me about $180. And compared to the Retro T-Cut, you'll probably get the same thing, the same results. The machines will cut the same way, except that this machine is going to run your pockets a little more. The Retro T-Cut will run you $45 if you get it from a good source, or $50. Is the difference worth it for you guys? Do you think this machine should be worth so much money as of now? Let me know in the comment section. I personally think that it's a little bit overhyped. It should be. Most of these clippers and trimmers should be out sooner in the American market, because I know that the European market's getting these machines sooner. Sometimes when I mess with these wireless machines, I get a little bit worried, guys, because we invest a lot of money into these clippers, into our tools, and sometimes they don't meet the standard that we want. Of course, I'm super hyped over the Andis T-Outliner wireless. That's why I bought it, and I recommend anybody who is thinking about getting one to get one. I'm a little bit worried about the Wall Senior wireless. I totally want that to meet my expectation, and I don't want these clippers to be just a cash grab.